Writing test instructions. This writing test includes two separate tasks. You will have 27 minutes for Task 1 and 26 minutes for Task 2. Try to complete each task to the best of your ability within the time limits.
Let's analyze this model answer. Feel free to pause the video here if you'd like more time to read the email text before we begin the explanation. This response successfully completes all parts of the task. First, it clearly explains the reason for the club, which is to build a stronger sense of community. It also provides specific details about the meetings, suggesting the last Thursday evening of each month. Finally, the writer directly asks about the building's policies, mentioning things like booking procedures or noise restrictions. The email is very well organized. It starts with a polite greeting, "Dear Mr. Evans," which is suitable for a formal situation. The information is divided into logical paragraphs, making it easy to read. The purpose of the email is stated clearly in the first paragraph. The tone is respectful and professional throughout, which is important when making a request to someone in a position of authority like a building manager. Notice the helpful linking words like firstly and additionally. These words guide the reader through the points. The answer also includes two good vocabulary words: residents, which means the people who live in the building, and propose, which is a formal way to say suggest. Let's break down this strong response. You can pause the video now if you need more time to read the answer carefully before we discuss it. This answer is effective because it clearly states a choice in the first sentence and provides two well-supported reasons. The first reason is that new equipment supports the physical health of the community. The second reason focuses on how it will particularly benefit the young people. These points directly explain why option A is the better choice. The organization is excellent. The response starts with a clear introduction that states the writer's preference. It then uses two separate body paragraphs to develop each main idea, making the argument easy to follow. The tone is polite and semi-formal, which is perfect for a survey response. The writer uses simple linking words like firstly and in addition to connect ideas smoothly. This answer also includes two effective stretch words, encourage, which means to motivate or support, and various, which means many different types. These words make the writing sound more precise without being too complex. Here's a practical tip for your own writing. For each reason you give, try to add one specific example or detail. This answer does this by mentioning how new equipment helps people who cannot afford gym memberships. This makes your argument much more convincing. Now, let's look at this excellent response for option B if you want to read the full text again. Feel free to pause the video here. This response is successful because it makes a clear choice right at the start and gives two distinct reasons to support it. The writer argues that new furniture will enhance the center as a social hub and also make the space useful for a wider range of activities. Both points directly address why option B is the superior choice for the community. The structure of the answer is very clear and easy to read. It has an introduction stating the chosen option, two body paragraphs that each explain a different reason, and a short concluding sentence. The semi-formal tone is appropriate for giving an opinion in a community survey. Notice the use of transition words like, my main reason is, and furthermore, to guide the reader. The writer also includes two great B2 level vocabulary words, enhance, which means to improve the quality of something, and appealing, which means attractive or interesting. These words add precision to the argument. Here is a simple tip you can use before you write. Think about who benefits from each option. This answer notes that new furniture would help seniors and new parents, which makes the reason stronger and more specific.